guys. And then I can't believe I made it this far. Tryna tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. I'm just trying to.
What's motherfucking good, YouTube? Hey, bro, gas is getting too expensive, bro. That shit $4.46 right now, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? I should have been siphoning gas out, bro. But oh shit, let me fix this shit real quick. Okay, that's better. But yeah, in today's video, bro, I'm gonna teach y'all how to shoot flames out you. Fuck. Today's video, I'm gonna show you. Damn, I can't talk. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to shoot flames out your VQ, bro. If you got a VQ, DE, VHR, goddamn it, fuck it, VR, we doing VR too. Fuck it, all of them the same. If you got one of them, this how you shoot flames, bro. I don't know about them R35 now. I don't know. We ain't made that money work. We ain't up there yet. But this is how you shoot flames out your VQ. We about to show you. Okay, so in order for you to shoot flames, bro, these are things you could change, but you don't have to. But you can go full bolt on. Full bolt on is like the best way, so you don't have to get retuned when you want to go down that route later. But other than that, if you just want to shoot flames and like don't really give a fuck about power, you just need to delete the pipe. Delete the cats and get a tune. That's really it. But I don't know. Me personally, I'll go just full bolt on and get that, so you can get your money worth out that tune. Either way, you get your money worth, but you getting more power. You getting power out that tune. You feel me? But once you get that, I'm gonna show you how to like switch them out. This is probably different with different tuners. If you do get tuned, bro, go to admin, bro. Admin the only way to go. If you're a VR, go to Racebox. They're the only two I heard about. I know admin. I've been tuned with admin for 3 years, no problems. And I be spamming the fuck out the flames. I do it a certain way. I don't like abuse it like that, but I make sure everything like right before I start shooting flames, cause that shit can fuck up some shit. It just feel like it can fuck up some shit. Most likely it's gonna fuck up some shit. Everything fuck up some shit. But you doing this shit on the safe side, bro, like following these steps, bro, you'll be alright. Cause I've been doing this shit for 3 years, bro. Like that ass, like shooting big ass flames with ease. Ease, light work. Let me try to turn around real quick so I can get out the car. But I'm gonna see y'all in a little. Okay, so one thing you wanna look at is your temp. Your oil temp. Make sure it's above 180. I try to keep mine between 180 and 230. Keep it around there. So like you won't be fucking up shit. Cause if you do it too cold, you obviously gonna fuck up some shit. If you spamming the fuck out that joint, overheating, always like up there, that shit for sure gonna fuck up some shit and fucking fuck up your gaskets. So make sure you do this shit right, just to be on the safe side. And when you tune, I know mine's is second mount, so I don't know if other tuners do it different. Oh shit. It's best to start off when you already like driving, so you can get it warmed up, everything warmed up and right. So like when you park, it's easier for it to shoot out. Like it's just shooting out. So I like doing it on the road, cause It's just like that motherfucker just sound way better. Like everything just better on the road when you driving. But when you sitting still, you gotta rev that motherfucker a little, keep it to get that momentum. But try to keep it around 4K to 4K to like red line that motherfucker. As long as you watching that 180, you straight. But I try to keep it around. I try to start at 4K each flame, cause when you hold it like longer, that motherfucker shoot bigger. So if you started from 4K and tapping out like 8K, that motherfucker is shooting big ass flames. But if you doing like 6K to 8 or 7K to 8, that shit, it's just gonna shoot little flames, but it'll be like still showing flames though. You feel me? But I try best to keep it like 4K. Start that jump off at 4K. Bro, I just saw some big ass flames. I didn't record that shit. It's still under 220 though. I'm about to do it again, bro. What the fuck? Doing some big ass flames, bro. I think that's the biggest I ever did, bro. Like constantly. I honestly just learned how to do that shit. Let me make sure everything running right. I always try to make sure. See, I went to like damn near 230. Once you at 230, you for sure hitting big ass flames. Like this shit smell burnt out here. Gotta make sure everything running. Yeah, I felt. Oh shit. The hell yeah, man. Bro, this camera got that night vision. Like y'all can actually see me out here. But hell yeah, we just shot some big ass flame, man. God damn, that shit hot. I'm for sure about to park that motherfucker, let that motherfucker sit, calm down, relax. You feel me? But yeah, if y'all like this, content, bro, just hit me up, drop it in the comments, W content, everything. We for sure about to keep dropping, bro, constantly dropping bangers every time, bro. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in, bro. If y'all want a VQ, if y'all want me to dig deeper in that shit, bro, just let me know in the comments. I'm gonna see what I can find. Ask me any type of question, bro, any question, bro. I answer to everything. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in, bro. We out, man.
Man, what we're talking about? J-Boo, my man. J-Booski, man, shit this shit.